Hello y'all, today I'm going to nature reserve in Switzerland. What will happen? On the way into the nature reserve, I saw a lynx eating a chicken. Okay, on the way into the park, I saw a giant European bison looking really angrily at me. Y'all, please comment from where you're watching this video from. I walked around in the park and then I saw some giant deer. I continued by walking around in the park and then I saw this giant wolf staring at me. I don't know if he wanted to eat me or play with me, but I was scared. I watched the wolves go by and then I saw some buffaloes. At the end of all of this, I saw a museum. I went in and there are different animal pens from animals which perished in the zoo. Thank you all for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.